Have you noticed your car struggling to start, or maybe it feels like it is gasping for air and hesitating every time you try to merge onto the freeway? If your check engine light is staring you in the face and you pull the code P2539, your car is telling you there is a problem with the low-pressure fuel system sensor circuit. This is a common headache for owners of Audi, Volkswagen, and Ford vehicles, but it can pop up on almost any modern ride. The fuel pressure sensor is a critical part of your engine because it converts the actual pressure of the gas in your lines into an electrical signal that the powertrain control module can understand. The computer uses this voltage to decide exactly how much fuel needs to be sprayed into the cylinders for the engine to run efficiently. If this signal varies too much, or if the computer sees a weird voltage the moment you turn the key, it sets this code and might even put your car into a limp mode to protect the engine. You will likely see your fuel economy tank, and you might experience a serious lack of power when you step on the gas. The causes can range from a simple open circuit or a short to ground in the wiring to a completely failed sensor. While it is rare, a failing powertrain control module could also be the culprit. A great place to start is looking for the sensor itself, which is usually screwed directly into the fuel rail near the intake manifold. Do a close visual inspection of the wiring for any bare wires, burn spots, or green corrosion inside the connector. You can use some electrical contact cleaner and a plastic brush to clean up the terminals if they look dirty. If the light stays on, you will need to use a digital volt-ohm meter to check the power and ground at the sensor connector with the key on and the engine off. You should see either 5 volts or 12 volts depending on your manufacturer specifications. If you see 5 volts on the signal wire but the code stays active, the sensor is almost certainly toast. Replacing a fuel sensor involves working around highly flammable gasoline. So if you are not comfortable bleeding off fuel pressure or handling raw gas, this is definitely a job for a professional technician. Getting this fixed early will save you from a potential no-start condition that could leave you stranded in a parking lot or on the side of a busy road.